Feeling neither sad today, little boy or girl? Can't handle the stressors of modern high standard of living life?
Hey, guess what? Have you heard about therapy?
It's this nice place when you can go talk to the expert in this dimly lit room. You can share all your secrets and traumas and things that are troubling your little mind that cannot handle the modern society. And then you get little pill for your mental ill. You're gonna get some drugs, it's gonna be alright. You're gonna form a great relationship with your therapist.
Your favorite movie stars. They go to therapy. They promote therapy. Your favorite artist. They go to therapy to talk about their traumas. And they all say it helps a lot. Your favorite influencer. They all seem mentally trained, wrecked. But they go to the therapy, bro. And they all say it helps a lot. Nobody of these people say how much does it cost though. Every one of these people seem to go there year after year. While they still cry their eyes out every now so often. But all of the women under 25 seem to go to the therapy. They all have, all of the school shooters, they will all on these psychoactive drugs that the therapist gives them. Oh, that's a little too spicy for you. What the hell is going on with this? And why is nobody talking about it? There must be other people, other base knowledge possessors who can see this shit. They've been pushing this therapy shit for half a decade at least, probably longer. I see it in a couple ways. Firstly, it's a clearly agenda that so many people fall for. There's so many of these bullshit ass agendas making us take a wrong turn so they can profit from us because they caused the mental illness, and they try to make it out like you can just talk about your feelings and take little drugs and it's all gonna be better. No! It's not gonna be better. That's why you go to therapy year after year. That's why you need to take drugs, bruh. With all kinds of side effects. And I wasn't joking. All these school shooters and people doing horrific shit, they almost all are on those psychoactive drugs that you get from therapy. That's one of the reasons why this therapy thing is pushed on, so they get more young people on these drugs, and these drugs mess up your mind even more. I have a chicken stuck in my teeth. Sorry. This is a serious topic. Stop eating raw chicken. No. It's a no for me, dude. Anyway, this is one of the reasons. They want to get more young people on these drugs so they can control them even better. These drugs are terrible. They make you highly controllable with these devices. The power of this device. They sink in a terrible way. The other one is you look at the wrong direction with your problems your mental health problems, which are linked to your gut, your physical health. It's all linked. So you don't look at the right place. Number one, it's all these devices you're watching right now. They are the root cause of it. Then it's the food. Then it's you're not enough outside in nature. Nobody wants to hear it. Everybody wants to hear just go. Like you're gonna have some cash, bro. Or if the government's gonna pay your therapy bills or whatever system you got going. If the government pays your therapy bills, it's even more of a red flag. But they want you to look at the wrong direction and take money out of you at the same time. So you keep coming back. They're printing cash with this therapy shit. And they got plenty of girls, probably even some guys these days. Like these guys must have low T. And I'm not saying it's good to talk about your emotions and problems to the people you love. But nobody got that going on anymore. You don't got real connections. You don't got real loved ones anymore. So you don't got that going. So you have to go pay somebody, some expert. But anyway, that's a different issue. So they get you in these drugs that make you highly controllable, programmable, all that. They get you to look at the wrong places. The real problem is these devices, the shitty ass food people eat. People don't eat natural, local, seasonal foods. Go talk to your farmers, what's growing, and eat that shit wherever you live. Or go hunt it yourself, even better if the government lets you. People don't spend enough time outside because of these devices. They're addicted to these devices. Like I have said for so many people with these mental health problems and who go to the therapy, many of these young girls, I know many, and I always say bluntly to them like your problem is your diet sucks. You eat this plant-based diet in Finland in winter. You don't get enough sunlight. You way too much on social media. You're way too addicted to these devices. You're blue light toxic. Non-native EMFs are frying your brain. And they're like, no. They almost get mad at me. like I'm gonna still keep taking my vitamin D supplement and iron supplement and take my drugs and go to my therapy and lose €1,000 every month instead of taking your free advice, or almost free. You're gonna pay for some food if you don't hunt it by yourself, but still it's €950 cheaper than your therapy shit, and it actually works. It fixes the root cause of your problems. But that's why and it is such a clearly controlled push PSYOP to get people in this mindset that just talk about your mental health issues, mental health awareness. It's gonna solve everything. Yeah, it's one part of the problem, but if your therapist, your doctor, or whoever you're taking your advice from for these problems ain't gonna give you the things I just mentioned, like get off these devices, get off these social medias, get outside, grounded, go swim in the natural bodies of water outside, take as much sun as your skin can handle, start eating the local seasonal food that the farmers are growing, make some relationships with the farmers, and then try to make some relationships and connections with like-minded people, start forming some real connections, real communities, and hopefully you got love, like that sexy time relationship also, because without that none of this shit works that well. We all need that as human beings. And then you can talk about your feelings and your issues. We all got those because we live in this modern civilized society with high standard of living. So everybody got some freaking stressors and issues you wanna talk about, and you need to talk about. Let that shit out. It always feels like 20 kg weight vest has taken off from your shoulders when you get things out of your heart that are troubling you. So it's cool to talk about also your feelings and share your emotions and stuff. But what I said earlier, it's pretty freaking clear. They push it with the movie stars, artists, YouTube influencers, TikTok influencers, and then the cool kids start to do it in the communities who get traumatized by a young age by plenty of reasons. I have many videos about that. So some of the cool kids start to do it, then some of their friends start to see like, oh, the movie stars and the artist I listen to and my cool friend does it, so I'm gonna try it, and then they get addicted to these drugs and the loop goes on. The therapist doesn't say that the devices you're using, that's the real cause of your problems. They don't talk about food, they don't talk about light, they don't talk about the actual root causes of the problem, and the loop keeps going on and you keep losing your money. And the system is getting your money, and you're a useless piece of garbage. Maybe not that useless, but hey, I mean, you could do a lot better if you're in that state. And I'm trying to help you, really help you. And all the guys who doesn't have these problems, share this message. Learn it and share it. We're gonna start doing better. Get these people off the therapist couch, outside in the nature. Get the masses chilling out there in the grass, grounded to the earth. Let the Schumann resonance heal their brain waves. So yeah, get off the drugs, get off the therapy, get real connections with nature, with other human beings. That might be hard. Yeah, many things are hard in today's day and age, and it's by design. It's been real. Another day, another raw chicken. Best sign signing off. See you later, alligator. And eat some raw chicken and get some sunlight in your ass.